Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report your OnePay debit card as missing. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a OnePay debit card, and for some reason it's missing, maybe you replaced it. How do you actually go ahead about doing that on the app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the app. Next, click on the cash window on the upper hand side. Next, click on the card icon on the upper right hand side. Then from here, go ahead and scroll down and then click on replace card. Now, this is where you have the option to report your card as damaged, missing, or stolen. Click on my card is missing. And then this is where the replacement card will be mailed to. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and report your card as missing on the OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.